Welcome to the world of the cutest wild animals. Get ready to meet some of the most adorable creatures that roam our planet. Let's start.
What are giant pandas?
Giant pandas are large black and white bears that eat bamboo. They're cuddly and cute.
What do they eat?
Giant pandas mostly eat bamboo, their favorite food. They munch on it for hours every day.
Where do they live?
Giant pandas live in the mountainous forests of China. They love spending time in the cool, misty woods. Did you know? Giant pandas have an extra thumb-like bone they use to grip bamboo. Another fun fact. Even though they look plump, giant pandas are excellent climbers.
What are penguins?
Penguins are unique birds that live in cold places like Antarctica. They're excellent swimmers and have a cute waddle when they walk on land.
What do they eat?
Penguins mainly eat fish and other small sea creatures. They dive into the water to catch their food.
Where do they live?
Penguins live in cold regions, often on icy shores or islands. They build nests using rocks and huddle together in colonies to keep warm. Did you know? Penguins have special feathers that keep them waterproof while swimming. Here's another cool fact. Penguins communicate with each other through different sounds and movements. Hope you enjoyed learning about these cutest wild animals. Stay curious, and see you next time.